From the streets of Chennai to the heart of Kano, a new dawn is rising like Vijay in India. A hero emerges in Nigeria. Honorable Sultan Abdurrazaq Dorayi. The youths are calling. 2027 is the vision. Munga yadda Vijay ya girgiza India, ya bar harkar fim ya zama gaskiya. A Tamil kowa ya shaida canji, siyasar kasar ta fita daga kuncin tsari. To me zai hana namu Sultan ya nuna kishinsa, ba takarar haramar hukuma ba mu na son matsayinsa. Gwamna muke so, jagoran jihar Kano ba kidaya, domin matasa su sami garkuwa da babban kariya. From India to Nigeria, the change is here. Sultan Abdurrazaq, the leader we hold dear. Like Papi Vijay, he's a star in our eyes, leading the youth to the ultimate prize. No more local levels, we're aiming for the top. The movement is moving and it's never gonna stop. Babanjarumine, kowa ya san fuskarsa. You don't need to campaign, his fame is his power. The youth are the backbone, the voters of tomorrow. Sultan is the cure for our pain and our sorrow. Matasa dari bisa dari sun riga suna minse, ba za mu yarda da marmu ta sake safba. Soon Kano will become our own Tamil Nadu. With Sultan at the helm, we're bringing something new.
Leadership is for those who love the people. Sultan, the throne is calling. 2027, the destiny is yours. Listen to the voice of the streets.
From India to Nigeria, the change is here. Sultan Abdurrazaq, the leader we hold dear. Like Papi Vijay, he's a star in our eyes, leading the youth to the ultimate prize.
Siyasar Kano zata chanza idan har Sultan ya fito takarar gwamna. Share this message until it reaches the leader. Success is certain by the grace of God. Wanan kanafitoa Nedaga Studio Mubarak Kotare. Original master on lyrics.